Yeah, you are writing 1 by 36. Now from where you are getting 36, Martin?
I simplify.
No, 30. See, total cards. Now listen, there is no point of 36 anywhere. Total cards are 52 in number, all right? Okay. Now this 52 is having 4 kings. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, 4 kings, right? Now 2 kings are black and 2 kings are red, right?
Oh, okay. It's
Yes.
26, not
Now
36.
yeah, so you have to get first of all a red, like you have to consider only the red suit. So red cards are half of 52, that is 26. Okay. And in this 26, there are 2 kings. So you can get either, any king you can get a, yeah, which are red, it's heart and diamond, right? So it can be a heart king or it can be a diamond king, you don't know. So it will be 2 by 26. Sorry, 1 by 26, right? One king you have to get.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyway, just go through the other parts also. Okay. So if color is mentioned, then the cards actually get half. So just pay attention here. Okay. And one more thing you are doing, Martin, like you are not like you're not reducing the probability to simplest form. For example, you are living like this 6 by 15. So you have to reduce it to simplest form. So it will be 2 by 5 actually, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So in many questions you are doing it. So I mark them correct anyway, but in exam you have to reduce it to simplest form also. Understand?
Ma'am.
Okay. Right. So we were doing triangles in the last class. Let us go back to that. Okay, Manha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mana, you also did not attempt question number 9 and 10, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
at least,
time was over, so I didn't.
okay. So anyway, just take them as an assignment and finish them. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Like solve them on your own.
Okay.
Right. We were okay. So we completed exercise 6.2, right? And I started the revision of exercise 6.3. No, which exercise we were doing? Yeah, this. Oh, sorry, this is class 9. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, 8 we have done, right? And this also we have done. Yeah, so 3 criteria of similarity I was telling you in the last class. Understand?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Abdullah, you are not here, right? I think. Anyway, we have completed exercise 6.2, which was based on basic proportionality theorem, right? So today we are revising exercise 6.3 of triangle, in which you have to use the 3 criteria of similarity. So first is the AAA similarity criterion, that if you have 2 triangles and all the corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. Understand? And this can be reduced to only AA criteria. So it's not necessary to show all the 3 angles. You can just show that the 2 corresponding angles are equal, because from the angle sum property, the third angle is anyway going to be equal, right? So you don't have to show it. So if in 2 triangles, you get 2 angles equal, like corresponding angles equal, then they are similar. That's it. Okay. So basically, we take it as AAA or A, like number 1 only. And now number 2 is SSS. Okay. SSS means if all the corresponding sides are proportional. Now, this is an important word. So it's not equal. They have to be proportional. Understand? Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So proportional means that the ratio, for example, I have a triangle ABC, right? And another triangle PQR. So if the ratio that AB by PQ, right, is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR, that means the the sides are in proportional, or the ratio of sides is equal. So this is called SSS criteria of similarity. Understand, Mana? Now there is the third one. Mm, Now third is called SAS similarity criteria. SAS, so as you can understand from the name also, right? So two sides are proportional and one angle is equal, right? Now this angle A is the included angle. Now what does it mean? Included angle, now try to understand. There's a triangle ABC, right? And let's say there's another triangle PQR. Now try to understand this, for example, this side, right? AB upon PQ, and the ratio of BC and QR is equal. That's it. That means AB upon PQ, right, is equal to
C upon here.
is PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Understood? Let's say this is given here, and the included angle. Now, which is the included angle? See, I'm taking side AB, right? And I'm taking side BC. So the angle which is coming in between, that is angle B, this will be called as included angle. Understand? And if angle B is equal to angle Q here. Got it? So if these three conditions satisfy, then it is called SAS criteria of similarity. Right?
Okay,
Yeah. Now, if it is like this, for example, let's say this is given. Okay, in the same figure, if I have AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So this is given, right? That these two ratios are equal, or these two sides are proportional. Now I'm taking some other angle, let's say C and R. So I'm saying that angle C is equal to angle R. Now you can see in the figure, I'm taking these two sides, right? Now angle R is not the included angle. Understood? So this is not SAS. Understand?
yeah, ma'am.
Mana,
Is it
understand? Yes?
no, 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 no.
Okay. Yes, Subhana, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So in SAS criteria, the angle A has to be the included angle. That means if you are taking these two sides, then you have to take this angle, right? Which is coming in between, like, which is included between these two sides. So this is called included angle. So even you can write this line, if in two triangles, one pair of corresponding sides are proportional, and the included angle, right? So you can underline this thing, and the included angles are equal. Then the two triangles are similar. All right.
Yeah, ma'am.
So let us start with exercise 6.3. Let us do one by one. Right, this is the question now. State which pair of triangles are similar, right? Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering questions and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form, right? Uh, so, uh, okay. So let us take, see, the two things you have to take. First of all, you will check all the sides and then you will check all the angles. Okay, that's it. In two, triangles, there is nothing else. Okay, so as you can see in the figure, angle A is equal to angle P, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we can see that angle B is equal to angle Q, right? And angle C is equal to angle R. So all the three angles are equal. So which criteria is this?
A.
Yes. So we say that you can write in bracket also, or okay, by A criteria, right? So triangle ABC is similar to triangle. See, now you cannot start with QRP or RPQ because angle A is equal to angle P. So when you are writing A first, you have to write P first. Understand? So name, this is actually given in the question that write the similar triangles in the symbolic form, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So then angle B, as you can see, is equal to angle Q. So after P, you will write Q, and then C is equal to R. So you will write it like this, PQR. So you cannot write PRQ, you cannot write RPQ. So correspondingly, you will write. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this is the second part, as you can see. So here you can see some measurements are given, right? There is nothing about angles. So let us check the ratio. So see, as you can just see, AB side is 2, right? And this is just double of it, right? If you observe the figure carefully, right? And then you have 3 here and the double of 3 is 6, right? And then you have 2.5 and the double of 2.5 is 5. So you can see there's a ratio of 2 involved. Understand? If you observe it carefully.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you take these ratios that AB upon, then you take this side, QR, right? What will you get? You will get 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. Okay. Then you check another side. So this time I'm taking AC upon then PQ, like this side and this side I'm taking. So this is 3 by 6. So again, I'm getting half, right? Then I'm taking
Yes.
the remaining side, which is BC upon PR. So BC is, you can see 2.5 and PR is 5. So anyway, you will get 1 by 2, or you remove the decimal, you put a 0, so 25 by 2, 50, so 1 by 2, right? So you can see that all the three sides are proportional. So which criteria here? SSS. Here there is no angle. Okay. So we write by SSS criteria. Now triangle. So if you're writing ABC is similar to, now what will you write here?
PQR.
No, Martin, we also discussed it before. Because AB side is not proportional to PQ, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how will you call it? So there's a trick. I'm telling you, just keep in mind when you are using AB, right? Then below AB you have QR. So you start from QR. That's it. And then the remaining thing, which is P.
Okay.
Yeah. So everything will fall in place now. So you can see AB is proportional to QR, right? Here. Okay. And then AC, or now see here, BC is proportional to PR. So BC is proportional to RP, or PR is the same thing. Understand? So
Yes, ma'am.
it's written properly. Okay, Mana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's the way to write. So this is actually important. You cannot write anything on your own. Correspondingly, you have to write. Okay, third part, let us see. Now, yeah, again, sides you are having. Now observe it carefully, first of all. So I can see 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 6, and the third side. So let us check. So I'm taking MP upon this DE, this and this I'm taking, right? So I get 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. Okay. Okay, and then I'm taking LP upon. So here I have 3 and then I have 6. So again 1 by 2 I can see here. So LP upon DF if I take, so I get 3 by 6, which is again 1 by 2. Okay, and the remaining side, which is LM upon EF, right? Please see in the figure. So
Yeah.
the remaining side is 2.7 and divided by 5. So this time this is not equal to half, right? Which is
Yeah.
which is actually not equal to half. Okay. Okay. So do you think the triangles are similar here?
No, they're not similar.
Yes, Subhana. Do you think they are similar?
No, ma'am.
No, because the criteria is not satisfied. I have only 3 criteria, whether AAA or SAS or SAS. That's it, right? This we can use AA, there's no problem, but anyway, there are 3, okay? So this one is not satisfied and there's no angle, so other 2 we cannot use. So we can say that triangles are not similar, or triangle LMP is not similar to triangle DEF. Now it doesn't matter. You can write DEF or you can write EFD because they are not similar anyway. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's just the name of the triangle. Okay. Next. All right. Now there's one angle you can see. So first of all, I can see that angle M is actually equal to angle Q, right? 70 degree each.
Alright.
Okay. And then you can see the side MN, which is 2.5, and this side PQ is double of it, right? So I'm taking MN upon PQ. So this will be 2.5 and divided by 5. So which is just double, so half, okay? And then you take this side, ML and this, as you can see, they are double. So ML upon QR will be 5 divided by 10, which is again half. Okay? Okay. So which criteria it should be?
SAS.
Okay. And do you think this is included angle?
Yeah. Wait.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Because I'm taking this side and I'm taking this side, right? And the angle is between them. So this is included angle. So I can say by SAS criteria. Okay, now how do I name it? Now pay attention. Okay. So triangle,
PQR.
no, first write this one. So you can call it, if I'm calling it MNL, right? Will be similar to. Now what will I write here?
PQR.
PQR. Okay, that's very good. Mm, no, it's not right. Why not right?
MN is proportional to PQ.
Yeah,
MN
but
by
there's a problem. See, now pay attention. Very important thing. Martin is saying that by using the trick which I used in the last option. So if I'm writing MN here, right? So I'm writing PQ here. Okay. But there's a problem here because I have an angle, right? Now you can
Yeah.
see angle M is actually equal to angle Q. And here M is in the first place and Q is in the second place. So instead of MN, can I write NM? Will it make any difference? Because MN and NM is side, doesn't matter, right? I can call it NM also.
Okay.
L will be similar to triangle PQR. See, now it is it is now falling in place because angle M is equal to angle Q. So both have to be in the middle, right?
Okay.
Yes. And
Yeah.
this side you can see NM is proportional to PQ, right here.
Yeah.
So now it is falling in place. So when you have angle, so you have to pay attention while writing.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mana, I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you getting it?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm getting.
Okay. See, these little things are important here. So that is why I'm explaining them again and again. So naming is very important in case of similar triangles. Okay, next part. Right. So again, I can see one angle same, right? 80, 80. So angle A is equal to angle F. I can see here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then if I take AB and divide it by TF, right? That means this side upon this side. So this is again 2.5 and divided by 5, so which is half. Okay. And then the other side, if I take BC upon EF, right? So this is 3 by 6, which is again half. So two sides are proportional and one angle is equal. And you can see this is included angle, right? Because I'm taking this side and I'm taking this side and the angle is between them, right? So I can use SAS criteria. So by SAS criteria. Now again, let us see how we can write. So triangle. So it's always better if you include it in between. So you write BAC like this. Okay. Because the angle is forming at A. So instead of ABC, I'm writing it BAC. Right, Martin?
Yeah.
So I'm taking the angle in the middle. Okay, will be similar to triangle. Now this side BA or AB, the first two letters you have to see. So the side AB is proportional to DF, right? So DF and the other, which is E.
C.
So yeah, so now you can see AB is proportional to DF. This is also fine. And angle A is equal to angle F. Both are in middle. So this is also fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, just wait. There's a mistake we have done here. See, I have also done.
EF are not focused.
See, I have done one mistake. Yeah, Arsha. Oh, sorry, Mana. That's what I'm explaining. Just 1 minute. See, now everybody pay attention. So they are not similar. Let me explain why. Okay. Yes, Mana, what were you saying?
No, ma'am. We wrote by the SS criteria, we wrote that BAC is equivalent to DFE. But then when we wrote, so B is not proportional to F, right?
Yeah, I got the point. Sorry, that was my mistake. Now see attention first. Pay attention here. First of all, if you look at this triangle, right?
Yes.
So I'm taking. Okay, let me draw a bigger one. So it's like this. The angle is here. right, Martin? And A, B, and C. So this is 2.5 and this is 6. So what I'm doing is I'm taking like this side and I'm taking this side. But this 80-degree angle is not the included angle, first of all, right?
Okay.
And in the second figure, it is the included angle. All right. So the way I took the sides was actually wrong. Like I have to take it like this. For example, I just rotate this triangle just to make you understand. If I just rotate it and draw it like this, so this 80 degrees coming here, which is your F, right? So D will come here and E will come here.
Oh, so it's not in the include.
So it is
Then
5, yeah, and DE is actually 6. Is this right? Yeah. So if I just rotate it, I bring this DE side here. So although the sides are proportional, yeah, Mana, see the sides are proportional, that's right. 2.5 is like just half of 5 and sorry, this was 3. So 3 is just half of 6. So sides are proportional. But this 80-degree angle is not the included angle in this case, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
That was the
yeah,
problem. No. Here there is a mistake. This 6 was EF, not this is not 6, this is 6. Yeah, that is the problem here. Okay. So now actually, if I take, okay, if I say that angle A is equal to angle F, right? That is fine, 80 degree. Now I want to take this side, which is AB. Then accordingly, I have to take this side, which is DF, right? Okay. Now, if I'm taking this side BC, then I have to take this side, isn't it? Martin,
yeah,
okay. Is anybody getting it what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
correct.
Martin?
Yes, ma'am.
Not in the same.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes. So here we can say that AB by DF is okay. That is half I'm getting. Then, okay, that's it I have, right? So the triangles are not similar. Okay, what reason will you write here?
Since AB and BC are not in the same.
Yes, Mana, what we should write here?
Ma'am, because one angle is not included.
You can simply write that the angle given is not the included angle, right? And therefore, SAS criteria is not satisfied. That's it. That's the reason. All right. And therefore, the triangles are not similar.
Yeah,
Okay, next, let us see. The last. Now you tell me. All of you observe it carefully and tell me whether it's similar or not.
yeah, actually, Can you use AA criteria also? Oh, never mind. 30. It's not similar.
Similar, Martin?
No, not similar.
Okay, now before this, actually, I want to write it again, the fifth one. So I think I should write it properly, the reason, because it's an important one which can be asked in the exam. See, the thing which is not similar, that means here there's a trick which is involved. So you have to pay attention to that question particularly. Let us discuss it. Yeah, so here is the, again, part 5. So first of all, we say that like in these two triangles, angle A is equal to angle F is equal to 80 degree, right? Both are equal. Okay. Now, if I'm taking side AB, so I have to take side FD, right? Which will come out to be 2.5 divided by 5, which is half. Okay. Then okay. Now, if I take side AC, then correspondingly, which side I have to take? Now, see, this 2.5 is one arm of 80 degree, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So I have taken correspondingly this one. Okay. If I'm taking AC, that means the other arm of the angle. So I have to take this other arm. Okay. So AC upon EF I have to take. Fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So now AC is actually not given. So I'll take it AC and EF is 6. So like I cannot say it's half because AC I don't know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I'm, so basically if I want SAS criteria, so this first side is coming out to be proportional, right? Now this angle A is already equal, but the third side is not proportional here because the AC value is actually not given. So I cannot say that it is half, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So that, so this 3 is actually useless. There's no use of this 3. It's just to confuse you basically. So that's the, I think the proper
Oh,
way of writing this question. So we can say that like AC is not given. Okay. So basically this ratio, which is AB by FE, is not equal to AC by EF. So that is why they are not similar, right? So triangle ACB is not similar to triangle FD. Understand?
okay. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Mana, understand?
Yes.
Subhana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So basically, you look here like SAS. So first side was coming out proportional, right? Angle was coming out equal, but there was a problem in this third side. So basically, the SAS criteria is not being fulfilled here because AC is not given in the question. Okay. Anyway, this was important part, so pay attention to it. Now the last one. Right here. How will you write it? Okay. Now start telling me how to write it. Yeah, Subhana, your voice is very low. First of all, in this question, see, this is again important. Uh, angle E 80 degree, that you can see, right? So angle E is equal to angle Q, which is actually 80 degree, that you can easily see.
Yeah.
Okay, now in one triangle you have 70 degree and in another one you have 30 degree. So you can find out the third angle also, there's no problem, right? So you take in triangle DEF. First of all, I'm taking this triangle. So that means angle E plus angle D plus angle F is equal to 180 degree, which is angle sum property, right? Of any triangle. So angle E, which is 80 degree, plus angle D, which is 70 degree, plus angle F. So this is 15, so 150 degree plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. And angle F is 180 minus 150, which is 30 degree, right? Okay. So this angle also I have got 30 degree. And similarly, in other triangle, when you use the angle sum property, so this one you are going to get 70 degree, right? Use angle sum property here also the same way. You will find angle P also 70 degree. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And anyway, you even don't have to do it. Just leave it. This much is enough. Why? Because we can use AA only, right? There's no need of third angle. So now we can say that in triangle like DEF and the other triangle, which is PQR. Now let us see. So I can say that angle E is equal to angle Q, right? And then angle F is equal to angle R, all right? Which is actually 30 degree and this is 80 degree. So we can say by A criteria. So third angle is not even required. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You can
Yeah.
find, yeah, you can find it also and then you can say A criteria. That is also right, but you can call it AA only. So by AA criteria, now please name it properly. So if I'm calling it triangle DEF will be similar to triangle. Okay, now angle E is equal to angle Q. So Q has to come in middle, right? And F is equal to R. So F is in the last. So R will come here and then the remaining one, which is P. So that way we'll name it. Abdullah, any problem here? So I hope everyone has done it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Right. Question number 2 now. So in figure 6.35, now see figure, triangle ODC. So ODC, see here ODC is similar to OBA, right? Okay, and one angle is given which is 125 and another angle which is 70 degrees. So you have to find angle DOC. DOC means this angle you have to find, right? This one. DCO. DCO, that one minute, sorry, there's an issue here. Okay, DCO means this angle you have to find, right? And OAB, where is OAB? Yeah, OAB. So always write whatever is given first of all. So it is given that first of all the triangles are similar. So that is an important thing which is given. So that means you can use the similarity theorems here, okay? Or similarity criteria you can make use of. So triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. So this means, okay, now I think one thing I didn't told you, or I just forgot to tell you. So if I call name like this, that triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Now try to understand. So from the naming itself, you can tell which side is proportional to which side. How? The first two letters, right? And take the first two letters. So OD upon OB will be equal to. Now the next two letters and the next two letters. So DC upon BA. BA or AB is the same thing. And then the first and the last. Understand? So will be equal to OC upon OA. So this is how the sides are proportional in these two triangles. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And angles you can say like OO is same thing. So angle D is equal to angle B because both are in middle. Like this is the meaning of naming I'm saying, okay? Okay, so this like this is, you should know, this is important. You can write in your copy also like this. So make these signs. So in case you forget, so it will help you to remember. Okay, here, and it was also given that angle BOC is equal to 125 degree. Angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. And you have to find angle DOC, angle DCO, and angle OAB, right? Okay. Solution. Mm, See, now this thing is very simple. Now pay attention. If I want to find this angle, like this one, if you can see, this angle I want, right? DOC. So this is just a linear pair, isn't it? Like
Yeah,
BB is a line, right? So
correct.
we can say that angle DOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree because it's a linear pair, right?
Yes,
See, when you have a line and then there's a line like this, so that means this angle plus this angle will be equal to 180 degree. This is called a linear pair, right? So we studied this in the angle chapter, lines and angles also, in class 9th, in fact. Okay. So DOC you have to find, and COB is already given, which is 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle DOC is equal to how much?
125 minus 180. Sorry, 180 minus 125.
Yeah, so how much will it come?
55.
55 degrees. So angle DOC is 55 degree. All right. Okay. Now you see the this upper triangle, right? This triangle is DOC. So now this angle is 55 degree, right? This angle is already given, which is 70 degree. And then you have to find angle DCO, which is this angle. So you can simply use angle sum property, isn't it? That
Yeah.
the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? So in triangle DOC, now you have angle CDO plus angle DOC plus angle DCO is equal to 180. So CDO is 70 is given. DOC just found 55 degree plus DCO we can find, which is 180, right? So this will be angle DCO is equal to 180 degree minus, how much is this? 0 plus 5, 5, and 7 plus 5, 125. So this will again be 55 degrees, right? So this angle is also 55. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, what about the third? You have to find angle OAB. So basically, the figure is like this, right? So you have your A here and B here.
In
Now
this bracket, 55, right? Was opposite, like vertically opposite.
You can say vertically opposite, but for that, it should be given in the question that these two lines are parallel, right? It's not
Okay.
written in the question that they are parallel. Understand?
Okay, yeah.
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 No. For vertically opposite, I think you don't require parallel lines. Yeah. You are right. But it's better if you use some similarity property here, right? Because it's a chapter based on similarity of triangles. So use some concept of similarity. That's also okay. What Martin is saying that there's a cross, right? So this angle is 55 degrees. This also has to be 55. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Vertically opposite. He is correct. Sorry, angle. But let us see how other way we can say it. Now it is one more thing is given. Now what is given? That triangles are similar, right? That triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. That means all the corresponding angles are equal, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have to find this angle, right? Which is OAB. So yeah, so you can see it is forming at this point A, so which is in the last, and here C is in the last. So that means this angle will be same as this angle. All right,
All right, ma'am.
understand? So similarity property we can make use of. So hence we can say that angle DCO, that means this angle 55, will be equal to angle OAB. All right, this angle. Is this correct? Because the triangles are similar. So
Yes, ma'am.
in the bracket, you can say corresponding parts of similar triangles are equal, right? So therefore, we can say that angle OAB is equal to 55 degrees. See this exercise 6.3. You have to practice it very well because there are, very little things involved. Like the naming of triangle is important and such little things are there. So you have to practice it well. Anyway, I'll stop here, and after completing this triangles, I hope in the next class, then I'll take a test of this chapter, triangles. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So start preparing simultaneously.
When
And
I can start.
yeah, at least up to exercise 6.2 you can revise, and 6.3 also, like give it a try. Let's see how many questions you are able to solve on your own.
All right, ma'am.
Yeah. And see, maths is a scoring subject. You can get full marks. It's like these days it's very easy to get full marks, but in the test also you are making like little mistakes.